Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 1710. We're going to remove a Borg-Warner clutch. The first thing we're going to do is remove this bolt right here, which is a 5/8 head on it. It's 7/16 fine. And then we're going to put some WD-40 down the hole and in the keyway area, and this Borg-Warner clutch should come right off. The second step we're going to do is take these nuts off, which will take 11/16, and then we're going to take the muffler clamps off. And after that, it should be fairly easy. We have 5/8 there, and we have to disconnect the connection right there. So I'm going to put you in a stand. First thing, like I said, we're going to take the front bolt out right there and get it lubed up. Second step we're going to do is take them nuts off on the bottom here for the muffler. We're going to soak them with WD-40. It should pull right off. This one's going to fight a little bit. You don't want to knock too hard on it because you don't want to knock the muffler ends off on them. Then we're going to go back to a 5/8. Now this is the same way you do it on a 1210, 1211, 2284, any of them. They use the same exact clutch. Now we're going to disconnect this right here. We're going to see if it pulls right off, and it does. They don't always pull off that easily. I'm going to put it right down the floor. I'm going to show you the keyway. If you spray them down with penetrating oil, it usually makes them come right off. Right there's the Borg-Warner clutch. And that's how easy it is. I realized I had the hood off and the front bonnet that covers the mufflers to make it easy, but I wanted to film it so it made it look like it was fairly easy to do. Don't sweat these jobs. Love working on Cub Cadets, and I'm glad you watched me, and I'm glad we all learned together. So everyone have a great day. Thank you for watching Macland Cadet, and we'll see you on the next video.